How's it going, everyone? How's it going, everyone? How's it going, everyone? How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew Kanoy with SpeedTech Lights, and the marketing director here, and welcome to another episode. What am I doing? Now we'll start with our carbine 14 here. We're not, because I forgot a line today, but we already covered our circle carbines, our quad carbines, and our carbine 140. This episode we're going to be covering our K-Force Micro 50-inch linear tow bar. Now I know that's a lot to take in, but I don't know what I'm saying. The windshield, and they pair very well with a light bar up top as well. And then when you want to turn the unit off, simply hold the case. You'll see that it fits with this notch. You'll see there's a bigger notch on the unit that's bigger than any other notch on it, and you'll go and mount. Again, the 3-pack pricing varies. Don't know what 3-pack pricing is. Look on the end of the unit to show you how it works, and you'll see your units are now synced. So then you can now go ahead and show you how this light bar hooks up. So you'll have your light bar, and then you'll go 13 feet to your tow bar. If you have it. Go to buy your light bar, but I highly recommend getting this light bar. It'll make hooking up your light. I'm saying light bar 1,000. So when you're going to hook up your units, you're going to run your units to the switch box. Light bars. If you haven't had a chance, check out the old. I'll get these hooked up really quick. So red.
6.5 hours later.
We're good to go. We're using our Supreme Control handheld here, and if you have any questions, call us or give us